How to add Monopoly code to McDonald's app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Play Store or App Store. Then you want to search for McDonald's app over here. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on the install option. After it has been installed, tap on the open option. Then you want to enter your credentials and get logged into your account. Once that is done, you want to look for the My M or My McDonald's section within the app. Here, you want to locate the option to enter codes manually. Input your Monopoly code accurately into the designated field. After entering the code, click on the redeem option. You may have the option to scan the code or manually enter it depending on the instructions provided. If your Monopoly code is valid and active, you will receive a confirmation message indicating successful redemption. Now you can enjoy the benefits associated with the Monopoly code, such as discounts, promotions, or participation in special games within the app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.